विसवा उपरांत तुमकां येवकार. आतां पळोवया गोंयांतल्या हेर वाठारांतल्यो कांय घडामोडी.
म्हापशा सेंट झेवियर कॉलेजीच्या सायकोलॉजी विभागाच्या विद्यार्थ्यांनी मानसीक स्वस्थ सप्ताक मनयलो. ते निमतान विद्यार्थ्यांनी रस्त्यार पथनाट्य सादर केले. विद्यार्थ्यांनी मनशाचेर जावपी मानसीक ताणाचेर जनजागृताय केली. प्राध्यापकान ह्या विशीं चड म्हायती दिली.
And it is through these street acts that we are trying to show that problems exist in life and we need to look at solutions and move and seek counseling, social support and help people to stop falling a prey to these problems and to rise up and move ahead.
फोंड्या पशुसंवर्धन विश्रामगृह जावपाचें आसा. गृहमंत्री रवी नायकाच्या हस्तुकी हाचो बुनयादी फातर बसयलो. ह्या सुवाळ्याक पशुसंवर्धन खात्याचो संचालक सिद्धिविनायक नायक, गोवा डेअरीचो चेअरमॅन माधव सहकारी, सरपंच, सचिव दोहन दागू, नगराध्यक्ष आनी हेर मानेस आसले.
जनावर हॉस्पिटल हांगसर त्या प्रमाणे आमचे रोस ते आसा हांगसर रोस वेटनरी अमेरिकन धर्तीचेर ते आसा. त्या धर्तीचेर ते हॉस्पिटल आमी बांदपाचें ऑलरेडी प्लॅन तेजो तयार आसा. तो आमी प्लॅन तयार करून घेतलेलो आसा. तेजो एस्टिमेट चालू आसा. तेजे नंतर ते हॉस्पिटल एक गोरवांचे खातीर जातलें.
म्हापशेच्यान आमचो खबराकार श्यामसुंदर फट्टी आनी पुणेच्यान विवेक प्रभू.
आतां पळोवया खेळा मळावेल्यो खबरो. आय लीग फुटबॉल सर्तीक फुटबॉल मोग्यांचो बरो प्रतिसाद मेळचो म्हणून गोवा फुटबॉल असोसिएशन अंदूक खासा यत्न करता. त्या खातीर तिकेट सामकी सवाय म्हळ्यार फक्त 30 रुपया दवरतले. ह्या सर्ती खातीर पंडीत जवाहरलाल नेहरू स्टेडियम एकदम टॉप कंडिशनान दवरतले अशें गोंय खेळा प्राधिकरणान सांगलां.
5वी आय लीग फुटबॉल सर्त बरी जावची म्हूण अखिल भारतीय फुटबॉल महासंघ खासा यत्न करतात. ह्या सर्तीचें वेळापत्रक अजून जाहीर जावपाचें आसा. बऱ्या पद्दतीन ही सर्त घडोवन हाडल्यार फुटबॉल मोग्यांचो ह्या सर्तीक बरो तेंको मेळटलो अशी आस्त गोवा फुटबॉल संघटनेचो सचिव आल्बर्ट कुलासून उक्तायल्या.
We have also tried to keep all the Pro League matches away from the Nehru Stadium. And that, I think, once a crowd comes for the Pro League matches, and we feel that crowd gets too used to these teams. So we are trying to get the Nehru Stadium just fresh for the I League. Okay. To attract the crowd also, we are working with the clubs. For example, to have separate tickets for the club matches. See, the season passes will be only for the 13 matches of each club, okay, so that the clubs can promote the sale of these tickets. One of the reasons a crowd will come if there is better organization. Okay. See, people, parking is made more friendly. The arrangement at the stadium, we have got better canteen points, better facilities. The toilets are clean, then families are attracted. So these are things we are working with the stadium people, okay, and we have been promised full cooperation by the Sports Authority of Goa. Okay.
फुटबॉल सर्तीची तिकीट सामकी कमी दवरिल्ल्यान चडांत चड लोकांक मॅची पळोवंक मेळटल्यो.
Price of tickets we have tentatively decided. Okay. Means the GFA had decided along with the clubs, okay, at a uniform rate of 30 rupees. Okay. For all this, we will not have a ticket for Western, and no, it will be 30 rupees. Sit on a first come first served basis.
At one point of time when the floodlights will be ready, will the I League matches then be under floodlights as well?
But I met Kushal, and at that time I told them the floodlights are likely to be ready by the first week of December. Then I'm sure that they will consider having matches under floodlights. Okay.
प्रुडंट मिडिया खातीर पणजेच्यान आमचो खेळा पत्रकार निखिल पेरेरा आनी चलचित्र खबराकार सर्वेश वेळुस्कार.
भारताच्या फुटबॉल पंगडात सध्या जे लाल पेकुलुआ आणि राजू गायकवाड या 2 खेळगड्यांत जागतीक मळार नांव करपाची तांक आसा अशें भारताचे सहाय्यक प्रशिक्षक सावियो मदेरा म्हणटा.
जे हो एक बऱ्यापैकी फॉरवर्ड प्लेयर जाल्यार राजू हो एक उदेंतो डिफेंडर. मदेरान तांची तोखणाय केली.
In the forward line we have JJ who is playing for Pune FC, who has done a good job, who was there with Colin Toll for the youth development. From the youth development he was taken into the senior team. That is the first time in March for this season in the qualifying, which he did very well. In the qualifiers also, in the friendlies also under Armand he did very well. So I see him as a bright prospect in the striking. And in the defending, as you asked regarding Mahesh Gavli, there is Raju Gaikwad, who has captained India under 23, who is a very bright prospect. If guided in the right way, I think these two prospects are very good, who can replace both Baichung and Mahesh at the right time.
And his throws are a lot like Rory Delap's throws. They go right into the opposition box.
Right. That is what, if each club tries to take advantage of it, it is really dangerous ones. It's like as if you take a corner kick or a free kick. So I think that is added advantage with Raju.
AIFFन जाता तितल्या बेगीन भारताच्या पंगडाक नवो प्रशिक्षक नेमपाक जाय. फुडें भारताच्या फुटबॉल मळार म्हत्वाच्यो सर्ती आसा आनी नवो प्रशिक्षक आर्मान कुलासोन केल्ल्या कार्याक फुडें व्हरप गरजेचें.
In November, a camp will be there for the SAF Cup, which is going to be held in Delhi. Then there is a exposure trip in Johannesburg for some friendlies. Then March will be the AFC qualifying for Asian Cup for 2015. So these two tournaments are important, and especially I feel the qualifying in March in 2012, that we should really take seriously, because it will give us another big step to qualify back-to-back Asian Cups, which will be a great achievement for Indian football.
मडगांवच्यान आमचो खेळां खबराकार निखिल परेरा आनी चलचित्र खबराकार शान.
आनी इतल्यान खबराचित्र हांगाच सोंपता. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट मिडिया. नमस्कार.